use Google Authenticator app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Google Authenticator app. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the application in your mobile device. And once the application has been downloaded, and just simply install the application and click on open to open the app. And now you will see that you have to log in into your Google Authenticator account if you already have an account, and if you don't have one, just simply click on get started from the screen. And now just choose the email address through which you would want to log into your Google Authenticator app. And now in order to use your Google Authenticator, you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And over here you have two options: either you can scan a QR code or set up a key. So if you want to scan a QR code, you have to go to your preferred application. For example, you want to log in or use your Google Authenticator in your Binance account. So you need to go to your Binance account and see the QR code available there, or you can also see the setup key over there, which will be 16-digit long setup key. Just simply copy that and just come back to your Google Authenticator account over here and click on enter setup key if you want to set up the key, or you can also scan the code if you have a different device through which you can scan the code. So I'm going to click on enter setup key, and now just enter the account name holder. And now you have to paste the setup key that you have copied from your Binance account or any other account in which you want to use your Google Authenticator, and paste it right here. And in the type of key, you have two options: either you can go for time based or counter based. So in the time based, it is more secure, so I would advise you to always choose time based, because it will not get leaked or hacker will not be able to hack it. And after that, once you have entered the key and the account name, just simply click on add, and your key will be added in the Google Authenticator, and you will be able to use it quite easily. And after that, you can also click on the three-dot menu icon from the left hand side of the screen, and over here you have different options like how it works, and you can also set up in the darker theme or darker mode, or you can also transfer the account. You can access the settings over here, and you can do other things as well. And on the top right corner of the screen, you have your profile, so you can switch the accounts between different email address you want to use. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to use Google Authenticator app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.